So today is wash day. Yes, deep conditioning review. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Curlykinkydee. I'm also known as Donna. To all those who are newly on my channel, hello, hi, welcome. And to those who are subscribed and who regularly comes onto my channel, hi there as well. So today I'm doing a deep conditioning review and we will be reviewing the Mixed Chicks Deep Conditioner. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to pre-poo wash and then I'll get back to you guys. My hair is pretty much in need of a deep conditioning session as well as a detangling session. So I'm going to go in with my favorite, which is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Pre-Shampoo. This I'll put on before I do my wash. I do have a dedicated video on this, guys, so it will either be down in the description box or on my end card. I love this. I use this before I wash it to detangle my hair, and then I will be going in with the I'll be going in with the moisturizing co-wash by Care Curl Essence, and this is what it looks like. This is one of my favorite co-washes, guys. Then I'll get back to you guys when I've rinsed my hair and ready to put on the Mixed Chicks Deep Conditioner. So I see you guys in a jiffy. So I'm back, fully washed, at least co-washed. So obviously I'm using the Mixed Chicks Deep Conditioner. This is what it looks like, guys. This is protein free and it says here it nourishes, detangle and restores your thirsty locks with our exclusive conditioning blend which penetrates and reconstructs damaged areas, transforming stubborn hair into resilient, easy to maintain tresses. Maximize your potential with Mixed Chicks. So this is the first time ever using this Mixed Chicks brand. It does say directions: apply to wet hair, comb through and rinse. So that's all it really says. So guys, I will link the ingredients down in the description box so you guys can have a look through there. But yeah, that's basically all it says on here. So let's try it out. So that's what it looks like. It's white. It's as the consistency, yeah, it is a bit thick, on the thick side. The smell, I can't, it's just got it hasn't got a distinctive smell. There's just nothing. It just smells like a nice smell. Okay, I'll say a nice smell. So let's crack on, guys, and see what this deep conditioner is about. So I'm rubbing it warm between my hands, and for those who know, I am quite heavy-handed, guys, so yeah, you don't have to put this much on. I'm just extra. Okay. Take a bigger piece just to kind of feel the slip of it. I would say the detangling part it's okay. I can detangle with it, so I am finding this conditioner quite hard to detangle, but I mean, it's doable. I just had better deep conditioners as in detangling my hair. So guys, I'm done with this side. You feel that it's a bit, you know, going to dry, you just spritz it done a bit. And just also always concentrate lastly on your ends, put a bit more on your ends. You know, side of my hair is a bit dry, guys, so I will be adding water my hair. So guys, I'm done. I'm going to go and sit under the steamer. So I'm going to put my hair under the shower cap, sit under the steamer for about 45 minutes, and then most probably just air it out for another 20 minutes, and then I'll get back to you guys. Then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on the deep conditioner. So I see you guys soon. Hi guys, so I'm back. I have been under the steamer for about 40 minutes, and then obviously took off the shower cap, hooked it around the house for another 10-15 minutes. So this is what it looks like. This is super defined. Oh my gosh. As you guys can see, my hair has completely swallowed it. It's not sitting on top of my hair, and just look at that. And I also wanted to show you guys that my hair is actually really growing. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I'm so happy with the growth of my hair. Really happy, look at that. Oh. It's so nice when you know you're doing something right and your hair is flourishing and it's growing. Oh my gosh, the excitement, the buzz. Because you guys know natural hair is not easy sailing, right? It's there's so much obstacles. Yeah, there's just so much do's and don'ts, and it's just obstacles sometimes. So I am quite impressed with the growing of my hair. I'm absolutely really impressed. But like I say, guys, deep conditioning, one of the best and important step for a natural girl. You know, that is just, you have to include deep conditioning. I am very over emphasizing deep conditioning is the one, okay? So I want to talk a bit about the Mixed Chicks deep conditioner. I feel that it's very moisturized. The fact that it's protein free, I will definitely purchase this again. I will keep this in my stash box. It was a bit difficult to put on, but hey, look at this, soaked into my hair. My hair's obviously swallowed it all in, taken all the nutrients, everything that I needed, and just look at the moisture, you know, and just look at my curls. So guys, I'm loving it. I will get another use out of this. As you can see, I've used half of the jar, so yeah, or container. So yeah, I will get definitely another use out of this little tub. So I don't have much else to say other than it's worked for me. Give it a try, especially if you want protein free. So yeah guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this review or this video. I do want to say that my next deep conditioning review will be the African Pride Moisture Miracle Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Detox and Soften Heat Activated Mask. Guys, this is what it looks like. I hope you can see that. So guys, easiest thing is to subscribe to my channel. This way you will get notified about my videos or my upcoming videos. And yeah, so looking forward to trying out this bad boy. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.